Hi everyone, today is vacation day 2 and Aulani day 1. So today we are flying from San Francisco to Hawaii, and on the plane we first had to fill in some forms. You can pause the screen to read better if you want to be prepared, but you get enough time on the plane to fill out these forms. So we got some food, some snacks, and of course some entertainment. I spent my 6 hours on the flight watching season 1 of The Last of Us. Look at this beautiful view of the island Oahu. It looks absolutely beautiful. The water is so blue. We finally arrived at the airport, and now it was finally time to go to Disney's resort and spa Aulani. Of course, I did do a room tour. This is what the room looks like when you enter. So you have a mini fridge, you have a microwave, we've been hoarding some Diet Coke from the plane. We are going on a Disney cruise next, so we bought some magnetic hooks, and it came out, really convenient because I can just hang my clothes here. So this is a bathroom. It's me. A separate toilet that you can lock. This is my outfit for today. I am in my Lilo dress, which is only fitting for Hawaii. So this is the bed. First thing we saw when we walked in was this one with this hair clip. Here's the famous Mickey lamp. And I brought my Aulani Loungefly. I'm so proud of this one. I bought it like 5-6 years ago, and it was so hard to get a hold of. This is the view from the balcony. You get quite a few drawers, and you can store your luggage underneath the bed. This also transforms into a bed. Another flower. When we got here, we got some badges and some free stickers. And first of all, we wanted to explore Aulani, but also the neighborhood. So there's this tiny shopping center nearby. The shopping center is called Ko Olina Center, and over there you have an ABC store. The ABC store is quite well known for having almost everything you need. You have groceries, you have food, fruits, vegetables, drinks, but also clothing, accessories, snacks, sunscreen, ice cream. Also, if you want to try this ice cream, make sure to get it like during the day, because the ABC store is open quite late, but when we got there at night again, all the ice cream was gone, so we never got to taste it. They also sell malasadas here. They are quite famous. They are Portuguese donuts. They sell malasadas with fillings and without. After we explored Ko Olina Center, we decided to come back to Aulani and explore a little bit. This is our door. And you can just open the door with your magic band. It smells amazing in here. Look how cute, by the way. There are 2 stores, and I posted a separate video showing you all the merch they are selling. After exploring, we decided to use their beautiful pools, so we changed and we went swimming. Aulani offers many cafes where you can get some snacks and some beverages. We decided to get their famous Mickey shaved ice. For dinner, we decided to stay in and ordered from Ulu Cafe. We got a salad, some chicken, and a poke bowl. We also got the refillable cup, which you can use during your entire stay. When we got back to the room, my bed was ready for me, so I will see you tomorrow, and thank you for watching me sparkle.